Okay, that's just barely touching. I'm gonna call that a 0. And one thing I noticed between the difference between this and my 3-jaw chuck is with the 3-jaw chuck, I can cut all the way down to here, and then just without backing the tool back, I can run my tool all the way back without touching this metal, without marking this metal. Now with this, it looks like I'm cutting threads here, left-handed threads, as I bring it back. So I'm going to need to pull the tool back, and I'm not sure if that's about run out or what, but obviously the 3-jaw chuck seems to be a little truer than this collet. Okay, so I'm going to dial in 10 1/1007". Okay, so I pulled the tool back, brought the carriage down, I cranked it back to 10 thousandths. So I should be set at 0 on this work. Which I obviously am not, so I have some run out in this screw. But we just have to work around that. Our objective is to get this piece down to 0.395. So I'm going to try 15 thousandths of an inch. So I'm going to take this up to 25. Now we obviously aren't starting at 0, so we're really taking a little more than 25 or 15. Let's just estimate, say we're taking, let's just call it 17. Okay. Okay, I brought that back without pulling the tool back, just so I can establish a true 0. So you know, 452. So let's try to go try to do 40 thousandths total, so I'm going to dial in 20 thousandths of an inch. See, I don't think the screw started turning until they're at 14.5. Let me see. That's wrong. So let's see if that looks like 20 thousandths. Those truly are left-handed threads because I had substituted my 80 tooth gear with I believe a 60 tooth because this one stripped out. So let's see what we got here. We're going from 452 410, so that was 40, so that's about right. We took 20 off, that's 40 off the total. So let's so basically it's 409. So let's take 5 thousandths off and see if we can't get that just to read 400. Okay. 401. So we need 395. So 401. So we need 5 1,000ths off. Is that right? So I'm going to crank this in 2.5. Maybe 27.5. Okay, we have a 398. We're looking for that's 398.5. We're looking for 395. So we need 3 1,000ths, 1.5 thousandths. So I'm going to try to dial in just 1,000th. Okay. So we should be at 0.395, very close to it. We got 397, 398, 399. I'm going to go with the 3.